what's up, YouTubers? Today we got a special guest. I'm really stoked. My man Steven Hearn. If you haven't heard of this guy, you need to check out video part, one of the most awesome video parts I've ever witnessed in, was it Create? 2006. It's hard to believe that that video is almost 15 years old. I'll send the link to you guys. It'll be in the description or down below on this video. Today, we're going to demonstrate the Steamroller. All right, Steven, again, I really do appreciate you helping us out with the Steamroller here. Maybe we can break this down a little bit for those beginners out there. What do you think you do in the beginning?
So basically what I do is, first off, you want to find out what side you're most comfortable on. Me personally, I like to do on the left side.
Okay.
Left foot forward, right foot back.
Yeah.
And maybe start off at a slow to medium speed and just lean forward a little bit and kick with your right foot.
So when do you think you're catching the seat?
Well, for me personally, I don't really wait for when it's coming around. I just reach my hand out the second after I kick the thing.
Here's a slow motion clip of Steven doing a Steamroller. You notice he catches the seat pretty quickly. As soon as he kicks it, he grabs that seat, brings it around to the front, and rolls on that front wheel. Keeps his right foot behind him to help balance over the axle. Looks like he's doing a slight carve. That's not necessary, but he's doing it. Now he's going to set that back wheel down and set himself up for the smoothie. And here's a good shot of that wee bicycle frame that Steven rides, courtesy of Dylan Worsley. Might want to give Dylan a little plug for making some pretty cool bikes.
I noticed that your back tire is landing on the ground, and then somehow you managed to smoothly go from a backwards roll into basically pedaling away. What's going on there?
So basically for my ride out is I set the back end down, and after I set it down, I put my right hand back on the grip and I push down and out to the left, and that momentum will cause the bike to swing or to smoothie back around back to your right foot.
Yeah, it makes perfect sense. We appreciate it, Steven. Awesome.
No problem.
Well, there you have it, the Steamroller with the smoothie ride out. Again, I really do appreciate this, Steven. It's been an honor to get to ride with this guy on a fairly regular basis for the last couple of months. He's a new resident here in Athens, Georgia. I guess I should mention that he does shows professionally for Forward Stunt Team. And he wants to show some appreciation to our friend Jody Temple because he's crashing at his house now. So shout out to Big Fat Joe. And thanks again, Steven. Appreciate it.
Right on.
Virtual high five. All right.
Right on.
Have a radical day, guys.